welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing and coming back. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and checking this video out. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when I do upload new videos. I'm working towards Thursdays and Sundays, but I'm thinking of throwing in an extra video here or there, so let it be a surprise. I don't know. Today I wanted to feature this Makeup Revolution palette, and this is also from the Jewel collection because I did another video on a palette from the Jewel collection, so you should probably go check that out, the Gilded palette. And this is Opulent. So this is definitely a palette with cooler tones. There's definitely some versatile looks you can do here. I'll insert swatches now because I'm not going to do like live swatches because then this video will be hella long. So I'll insert those swatches here. So some really pretty swatches along the lines of the other palettes I have, like the colors up here, the top row, super beautiful, super shimmery. You know, obviously you can see it's on my eyes right now. So there's that. And then the colors down bottom, some of them swatched a little patchy, but again, that's to be expected sometimes when you're trying to do a matte shadow with your finger on your arm. I just find that more often than not, those matte shadows kind of tend to come off a little patchy on my arm, but then when I put them on my eyes, I don't have that problem. So I don't know if it's just that formula or just because it is a matte shadow. I don't know. Take it as you will. But anyway, so if you would like to see how I did this eye look today, then just keep watching. Okay, so to start, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer just to put that on my eyelids. And then, this is the color Fair, as you can see. But hopefully it'll be nice and like cancel out the color on my lids. I'm gonna use this Morphe E20 fluffy brush and just spread that out. Okay, that's super bright. We're just gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the KatVonD Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna use this color here and just set that. And I'm using the Sigma tapered highlighting brush, the F35. So I think I'm gonna go in with the color here, Rules, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I'm gonna use this Morphe E27 fluffy brush. I was hoping that would tame down this brightness just a little bit, but not so much. So we're just gonna keep going. Moving on. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color Reveal. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm actually just gonna use this Sigma tapered blending brush, E40. It's just a fluffy brush. And I'm just taking this color up a bit higher since that first color I tried didn't really do anything. So I'm going to use this like it's my transition shade. Okay, so to make sure you build up each side to the same intensity. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Impressionable. And I'm not getting a whole lot of kick up or anything with this. I mean some, but nothing crazy. Oh, and I'm just gonna use the Morphe tapered crease brush that I use in like every video. So I'm gonna pick up that color and I'm gonna put it out here just to see the intensity of that color before I start going to town through my crease, how I do. And I'm just gonna build up that intensity a bit and then go across. Now I'm gonna go back in with that first brush I used just to blend this out so there's not any harsh lines. I think I really want to go in with this color Paris right here, and I'm gonna pick that up on my finger because I feel like the prior one I used, I put it on my finger and put it on my lid, and then I went back in with a brush to build up the color intensity that I wanted. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, and if you're following this, then that's what you're gonna do. I am getting some fallout there. It's a really pretty color. It's a super soft shadow, so I get a lot when I put my finger in there. Like, I feel like I'm making a mess of the pan. Just something to be aware of. And then I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay shadow brush. It's just that flat brush. And I'm gonna apply that color on top. Just to build it up a bit. Make sure I have good coverage. And then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. smudge brush. But I think I'm gonna I'm gonna pick up some of this color Cop Out. And I'm gonna put that in the center and see what happens. Okay, so that didn't, I don't know, maybe lighten it up a little bit, but probably not a necessary step to do that lighter color. Part of me really wants to go in with like a darker color in here. Maybe like one of these colors here, like this one or this one, to darken up that outer corner. But I feel like I always do that. I always go in with like, they're cool tones, but I always feel like I want to gravitate towards like the browns or those types of tones. So I really kind of want to avoid that. So I think at this point, I'm probably just gonna leave it like that. Trying to think. I'm probably gonna go in and I'll do the rest of my face outside of this video. And then I might just put like a thin layer of eyeliner on. And then I'll come back and then I'll finish up my under eye. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and did the rest of my face, put on some eyeliner, and then I just curled my lashes and, where'd it go? And put on this mascara. I got the, I don't know, a trial size, I guess, of the NYX Professional Makeup Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara. It was with an order of NYX stuff I put in through Ulta. And I put that on. And I really like it, so I decided not to do lashes or anything like that. So let's jump right into it and finish these eyes. So I think I'm gonna go in with that color Reveal. And I'm gonna go in with this MAC 239 SE brush. Pick that up and go all along the lower lash line. Brush is a lot stiffer than I remember. I don't know. So definitely don't get it in your eye. Not pleasant. Okay, I don't like that brush. That's why I haven't used it in a while. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. Just to blend that out a bit. That's better, it's a lot softer. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, just because I feel like it. And then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Professional Concealer Brush. Just a little brush. And I'm gonna pick up, I'm gonna start with the color Code. It's like a shimmery color, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner, and then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this color Soul and go over top of those two areas. Don't have to, it's just an extra step, just because I kind of want to see what the color payoff is going to be. Or color combo. I'm just going to go in with a coat of that NYX mascara on the lower lash line. Not the best for the lower lash line, in my opinion. It's a really fat brush and I don't have a lot of lashes down there, so I tend to use a mascara that has a smaller, thinner brush so I can really get in there and try to get those minimal, tiny lashes. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to use this Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray and set my face. All right, guys, so that is the finished look. I like the palette, but I think I'm obviously more of like a warm tones, oranges, browns, colors like that. I try to do stuff with the cool tones. Like, there are a lot of different looks I could have gone for in here, but I was like, you know what, the pink colors, the pink hues, the purplish deep, I don't know, I don't know if I want to call that like it kind of looks like a deep muted purple, like this color here, and that's really what was talking to me, and that's why I chose to do the color combo I wanted to do. Could you use this as an everyday? Yeah, that's fine. You could use this as an everyday. It's not something I would use for an everyday. Like, if I wanted to do something different and get outside my comfort zone, I would definitely go for this palette, but this isn't. Okay, so this probably isn't a palette that I would grab every day. So it's $15. Again, that's not bad for the amount of product you get and what you do get in here. But again, looking at it, you can do different looks. So you have this color you could play off of. You have your gold, you know, bronzy color, or you have like your pinks and your purples. So you could do different looks. It's just my opinion, for me, this isn't something that I would use every day. Do I like to have it in my collection? Yeah, because I have a problem. So that's my thoughts on that. I hope if you're thinking of getting this palette, that maybe this tutorial, review, whatever you kind of want to call this little mashup video, I hope that it's helping you decide. I will say that the other Makeup Revolution video I did, I'll put it somewhere. I'll put a little card that pops up. I like that palette. I really enjoy that palette. That would be like my everyday go-to palette. And that again is $15. So anyway, I hope this helps you decide, and yeah. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the day or evening whenever you're watching this. Bye.